Hi guys, I just went to down my kitchen to get water and try to guess who I'm guessing what I'm gonna do with water. Pause the video and guess. Give you a couple seconds. You figured it out yet? So this is what I'm gonna do. I have this car wash thing, and I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you guys it and play with it. So let's take it out. You guys can see me right here, right? I got this thing. Yep, this is at my grandma's house. We got this yesterday from my grandma's house, and I gotta yank this out. Right, yeah. Yep, it comes with a card. These instructions. Fill up this with water. But first, I need this box so you guys can see me. And you see those cards? Those are the cards I'm going to use to for the car wash. So here we go. This is my base. So this goes here. This goes here. And so this right here, I gotta fill up with water. The top pops out. No, where's step one? Step one. Wait, step one. A. Step one. This doesn't go here. Oh yeah, I remember. So this goes over here. Step one. Okay, it goes like this. Step one. Get the card and place it right here. Meanwhile. Step two. Fill this up with the water right here. Got it. So where's the cap? Got it? That's what. There. And then I squeeze it and the water comes out. Blah, blah, blah. There, I'm done. Now I have to set this up. So, which card is going first? Let's do this one. So you guys can really see it. So this goes up. I dribble with this. Move this up. The card goes forward. See the moves forward. Spray the bottom. What the? Oh, yeah. Done. And the card goes forward. It gets rinsed out with the dryer. And done. He's done dried. Now time for this one. Wait. So let's do small. So it goes like that. I'm gonna move it forward. Water time. That's it. And then dry this out. Getting dried up. And done. So these are the cards that get dried out already. So guys, the cards are right here. Okay, the cards are right here. Look. Actually, over here, right here, where you guys can see. Right there. Now, first right here, then that, then this one again. This is a different one. This is his twin. And he drives out, getting rinsed, and parking over here. Next one is this guy, Shark. Nope, beep, back that up, pitch that in there, get water, and drop it through. Time to do a pickup truck. Drive up, gets on the tire, pulls up. Nope, he's not gonna go through, so I gotta bring this up. Like one up. So just 1 centimeter up. Okay, and he's right here. Right here, put water. And then drive forward, gets dried out, and done. And then gets parked over here. And let's do this one, this other tall one. Forward, put water, and drive through. There we go. Then he goes park over here. And this last one, so this has to be the lowest possible. Drive up, go on the ramp, go forward, put water, and drive right through. Done. So, thank you guys for seeing Adventures with the G's, but Mark was not here today. So, see you next time. Bye.